I'm Samos from Samos.studio, and we were invited by the Biennale shop to showcase our debut lamp series called Love Me, Love Me Not. We've got red, yellow, and white flower-shaped lamps. Love Me, Love Me Not is a series that celebrates the beauty of nature and our profound understanding of what love is. Although it's simple in color and in form, it's a visual giant when it's in its space. It brings smiles to people. There's a familiarity with the object. Personal experience that this reflects is something that I've felt myself and other people feel, which is this search of how we belong in society, if we, not necessarily just being loved, but if we fit in. And there's this question that's always in our head, if we are, if we're not. So this is kind of the cycle that this lamp displays. As of now, we're mostly focusing on home decor, small-scale products, but we also do architectural work. What we have planned for the future, we do look forward to future collaborations with the Biennale themselves. Based on what I've seen from the curated environment, it's very important for people to see products displayed side by side, because sometimes there's this harmony with different objects or the stories that these objects create.